Hello and welcome back. So guys, here you can see that we are just getting these results here, the first line, the second and the third line. Now this is a simple view is from the view folder and the file is the new view. This is a file which is attached here in the new controller. Actually in the index function you can see that I just attached the new view file. Okay, but what are they? They are coming from the model folder, but this is not the best way to do the problem. Actually, all these things which we are just viewing should come from the view folder or the view page, but these things coming from the model folder, that means there is something not really cool. So go back to the Sublime, and what I'm just doing here, I'm actually, you can see that the new model.php here, I'm actually pasting these files or sending these data to the new view.php through the controller, and then all these data will be the same but actually will come from the new view.php. So how to do that? I'm inside the new controller page. So now here you can see that we are just actually attaching the new view here by adding this load the view and the new view, add a comma here, and now you can see that the second model is coming from the new model, and actually the second model has an array. In return we are just getting the currency. So what we need to do is to just go to the new connection, the new controller, and just remove this one. Okay, I just don't want to print this there. Okay, and removing this sign as well right now. Save and go to the browser and refresh. Now you can see that the currency list has gone. So in the view where we are just getting the view, add a comma and add in space and just simply get this second mode which is there and there, sec mode. Actually what we are just doing, we are just sending this thing to there, and where from this coming, it is coming from the new model.php page. Okay, so now let's just go to the new view.php. Here you know that we are just sending the data of all these array in the second mode, actually second model, and in the new view by adding a parameter. So I'm just going to the new view and adding an enter and the opening the PHP code and then print r, and here just add the sec mode and save and go to the browser and refresh. I got an error actually, so I just need to go back, and the error is, you can see that I just added the e here and there is no e, there is just simply sec mod and there is mood. That is the problem, but the problem is a little bit different. If I just remove this e, then save and then go to the browser and refresh, and still I'm getting the error. However, I just put it the sec mod. So I'm just going to the new connection, new controller actually, and here what I'm updating, this is an array, so I'm getting the array in the variable. This is not a perfect way. I'm just creating the sec mode as an array, and here I'm just renaming it CUR, okay, or CURRENCY, whatever, currency. And what I'm just sending here, I'm still sending the sec mode to the new view. Okay, so now what more we need to do? I'm just going to the new view, and here I cannot run the sec mode anymore because this is the array named currency I just sent from this page. So here I just need to type the currency instead of the sec mode, CURRENCY. Exactly what I just type here, I have to type there with the $sign. Now save and go to the browser and refresh. Now you can see that we are just getting the data from the model through the controller to the view. So this is the way we just do when we just need to get the data from the model to the view, and exactly the controller is the middleman, or whatever you can say. So guys, in the next class we'll learn some more things. Stay tuned and goodbye.